Hello viewers, today we will learn successful trading through RSI indicator. And first of all, we have select one stock through NSE India if you are trading in NSE stocks. And if the market is positive, select the gainer side. And if the market is negative, go to the loss side. That means loser side, top 5 only. Today trend is in buy side. That means in profits. Select the indicator through indicator section, means RSI, relative strength index, and after that we have give the period 12 instead of 14 and keep all requirements as it is and apply it. You have to see here RSI is at overbought zone. After that, seeing the chart, we have to select the time frame. I use 15 minutes time frame normally. We have to use some more time frames, but for clarity to me, I use 15 minutes as better, and I showing the overbought zone clearly by indicator. This is the starting point with the gap up. First one is overbought, second one is at overbought, third one is at overbought, and fourth one is down the overbought. At this point, RSI come down from overbought zone and take this is the entry point, that candle low, and see the profits whole the day how much it is going down. And clearly now I show the entry and exit points clarity with the horizontal lines drawing. Just a second, I am selecting tool, and yes, I am selecting tool. After that, this is the one point exit point and this is the entry point. First red candle low is the entry point here, and 482 is the exit point, first exit point, and after that we have to second exit point also. Now I am showing the second exit point also, and 489 to 482 is the first target. Now I show the second exit point, and I will draw a horizontal line for clarity. Mark the previous day low as the horizontal line, and you see the one beautiful thing in market. You have to say one of the such a beauty. We have support here from previous day low and take that point as second exit point. What a beauty! And first exit point and second exit point is clearly to take positions through RSI. This is the wonderful technique and successfully applied technique, but it takes long time because in intraday from morning 9:15 to up to 3:20 the strategy is running. We have to exit anywhere and any point with your benefit, with your comfort. This is the successful strategy what I believe. We have fixed exit and entry points with targets 1 and 2 by using single indicator, means only RSI we have taking as single indicator, and with support and resistance are simply just drawn with our analysis and go with the strategy and get the best results. And finally I have to say, and I am not a SEBI register, but this is my own analysis. I hope you will understand. I hope this strategy will give good results. And one of the most important thing is all strategies are not work all time because of market is a ocean. Every day it has a new structures and new frames, so every day new strategies will be implemented. Sometimes in whole market at least one company will form this type of structure, so you can find out that company and use this strategy. I hope this is useful to you. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.